How to clear cache in Lightroom Mobile. First of all, unlock your device and open the Settings app from the main screen. Now scroll down and tap on Apps or App Management depending on your device settings. From the list of installed apps, find and tap on Adobe Lightroom to open the app information page. Next, tap on Storage or Storage and Cache. Here you will see options related to app data usage. Tap on Clear Cache and confirm the action if prompted. This will remove temporary files stored by Lightroom Mobile without affecting your photos, edits, presets or account data. After clearing the cache, go back and open Lightroom Mobile normally. You may notice improved performance, smoother loading, and fewer glitches, especially if the app was lagging or crashing before. Clearing cache is safe and can be done anytime you face performance issues. Now you know how to clear cache in Lightroom Mobile. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more editing tips.